The dawn of the digital age has breathed life into two compelling constructs, cryptocurrencies and blockchain. While they are often entwined in discussions, it's essential to distinguish between them. Cryptocurrencies, a digital revolution in the realm of currency. Cryptocurrencies embody a form of virtual currency that relies on cryptography for security. They thrive outside the purview of centralized financial authorities. Bitcoin, the trailblazer, was introduced in 2009, and since then, myriad others such as Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin have entered the arena. While cryptocurrencies often leverage blockchain technology for securing transactions and regulating new unit creation, their identity remains distinct. Blockchain, a marvel of the digital era, blockchain is a distributed ledger technology exemplifying a decentralized database. It meticulously records transactions across numerous computers, ensuring the immutability of any given record. Modification cannot occur without the alteration of all subsequent blocks. Despite its fundamental role in underpinning cryptocurrencies, the use cases of blockchain spiral far beyond, permeating areas like supply chain management, voting systems, and identity verification. Banks, despite recognizing the potential of blockchain, often tread cautiously around it for several reasons. Regulatory constraints. Banks operate within a tight regulatory web, a significant portion of which is yet to evolve to address cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Security considerations. Despite the inherent security of blockchain, the platforms used to interact with blockchains, like wallets and exchanges, have occasionally fallen prey to cyber attacks. Business model disruption. The emergence of cryptocurrencies represents a paradigm shift in value transfer, providing an alternative to traditional banking. The decentralization of blockchain might significantly disrupt existing banking models. Volatility. The notorious volatility of cryptocurrencies is a risk factor for any institution choosing to transact or hold cryptocurrencies. Conversely, numerous governments have rallied behind blockchain projects, despite harboring apprehensions about cryptocurrencies, recognizing the potential benefits. Transparency and traceability. The high degree of transparency and traceability offered by blockchain make it a valuable tool for applications such as supply chain management and auditing. Fraud mitigation. The immutable characteristic of blockchain minimizes the risk of tampering, thereby reducing fraud and corruption. Efficiency. By removing intermediaries, blockchain can streamline processes, enhancing efficiency. Innovation potential. As a groundbreaking technology, blockchain could potentially stimulate innovation and economic development. While showing support for blockchain technology, governments tend to exercise caution with cryptocurrencies, citing concerns regarding financial stability, potential illicit use, and a lack of regulatory oversight. As a result, a clear demarcation often exists in the governmental stance on blockchain versus cryptocurrencies. As we navigate this dynamic landscape, this distinction remains a critical element of the discourse.